find no good song here.
Abutan ka na.
Picture. Ate! Ate!
Dito din ate, dito ka din, no, para kita ka.
1, 2.
Parang wala tayong ano diyan eh.
Walang mukha.
Okay na yan, te. Basta may mukha.
I was listening to the ocean.
Ay, nakabukong pala ka dyan, eh.
Oh, see.
Gusto ko na ano.
Wait lang, magpa-practice ako.
Asa na yan?
Anong, ate, paano pa ako kanta-kanta? Wala akong mahanap. Hindi ko alam mga title.
Ano, yung Heart Will Go On.
Die. Ay,
Heart will go.
anong pang ano, heart? H-A-D.
My heart. My.
Takbo lang.
My heart will go.
I'm tired. Ayoko na.
To our directors,
Shut up.
Sister Marian Fatiha RVN, Mrs. Ricardo Sinaronia, our principal.
My.
Joke lang.
Oh my.
I said I got a good time.
My heart will go on. Ano ba?
That's M.
My.
I'm trying to find M. Why?
Ito dito sa dulo.
Baliw. Tapos na. Ulit mo na yun dyan. Baka wala talaga.
Wala.
Mother Ignatia.
Pag-ibig. Hello? Guys? Uy, bye.
And it's not my...
Part-time. Hello?
Hello. Ayun,
Anong kanta yun?
Eclipse of the Heart.
Ano?
Eclipse of the
Zero.
Hindi. Yung kumakanta sa kabila.
2, 7, 2, 4, 6.
every night.
Nikki.
Total Eclipse of...
Kala ko.
You're never gonna make it to the end of the line.
Sabihin ginagaya natin sila. Okay, who cares?
Together to make it to the end of the line.
Only hope. Gusto ko ng only hope. I don't know what to do. I'm always in the dark. Living in a fire, baby, can it all start? I need it tonight. Mga pinag.
Marinig ko yan sila di ay.
In the sun.
Oh my God. Sabihin ginagaya natin ang kabila eh. At the background dancer kita.
Turn around every now and then. You'll be down and you never come me ground. Turn around every now and then, a little bit tired of listening to the sound of your heart. Please turn around every now and then, I get a little bit tired instead of listening.
Hindi ka na partner.
Every now and then I get a little bit terrified and then I see you love. Bright eyes, every now and then I fall apart. Bright eyes, every now and then. And I need you now, and I need you more. Every now and then I get a little bit helpless and I'm lying like a child in your arms. upon a time there was falling in love, but now they're only falling apart. It's nothing I can do. Totally deep to us.
Yan ang kanta. Kala ko only hope sunod. Yan na.
Once upon a time there was light in my life, but now there's only dark with love in the dark. Nothing I can say, totally clear to my heart.
Patay tayo. Ano nangyari sa taon natin?
Nakalimutan ko. Totally clear.
Asa?
Ano pa nangyari sa bahay?
Ala, ito na si Hiro.
Ala, si Ryan, hindi yan si Ryan. Si Ryan?
Si Niro.
Wala akong ginawa dyan.
I'm giving you all of me. I want somebody.
Iba boses ko pag wala akong mic. Siyempre, pangit ko. Ay, bututok siya. Go, next.
She went